Type 7?
Type 1A.
Type 1A, that's right. I still don't know my submarines. First video I've made in a couple of months. Our first run in a couple of months and first run of the new year because Texas and weather. So there's Ed Turtle's Type 1A from an old crick kit. And uh-oh, he's found a target. There he goes. He's found a target. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Look at that. He just popped up.
How deep will it go? All the way to the bottom if I let it.
You don't want to do that. Not in this bottom.
Yeah, you could stick it in the mud.
Well, you know, it's a laser.
Typically at 900 megahertz, I get 4 feet.
You know what? You're gonna be occasionally.
I get 30.
Occasionally, I got problems with names. I probably did the stroke I had. Bob. I keep wanting to call you Phil. And I don't know why. There's Bob Piper's. So I remember your last name.
Yep.
There's Bob Piper's laser. I like the lasers. Lasers are nice boats. Now, a laser's a one design boat. It's actually a scale model of the full size laser. And they're very strict on what you do. Where some classes will let you do, you know, whatever sail winch or sail server you want. You have to use their supplied sail winch. I think you can paint or decal the sides of the hull. You cannot paint the bottom of the hull, things like that. They want to keep those boats as close as possible. So when you're racing, it's only the skipper that has the advantage, not the boat. But they sail nice. And it's all, you can get them ready to run for about $400. They're a little bit pricey, but it's a good sized boat. I mean, it's not small. And they handle good weather. So if you ever want to get a laser, there you go.
And the sail that's on it right now is an A.
That's a sail. So it's an A sail that's on it now.
Yeah.
It's an A rig.
And they come with a B.
They come with a B?
That's how they...
So they ship with a B. I didn't know that. So basically, JP's has got a B rig. Because he's never changed rigs on it that I know of. So yeah, it's a little breezy, not too bad. A little cool right now, but not as bad as it has been. It's supposed to warm up today. Today's the first decent weather day we've had all year. So we were going to come out early in the last month, but the wind's supposed to be blowing 40 miles an hour and it was 35 degrees. No. Texas wind will cut right through you. Here she comes. It's on tack. Oh, hang on. That caught my eye. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There she is. Ed, I like that sub. I do. The only problem with Texas water, it's hard to find out it's clear. Bob, those are just good looking sailboats. All right, and over here, parked in the cove, is my new Dumas ST-74. Got a zip kit 650 in it, slightly overpowered. Runs good. Just 2 channels. I didn't put lights or anything else on it. They built up to a pretty nice kit. I want to take her out real quick. Go find my transmitter. There we go, this transmitter. Now this is not easy for me to do, okay? Try to get it out of here without wrecking the boat. I got her out. Alright, there we go. I got on low throttle so I can film and drive at the same time because I am not a coordinated person. Never have been. It's got a lot of superstructure for its size. It's a little top heavy if you're not careful. I've got her ballasted over what's called for in the manual. And I still think I can get her rocking pretty good if I'm not careful. So I might put another 1/4 pound of ballast in and spread out, see what she does. But the thing runs good. Now you could build it with the stock motor if you wanted to. I like using lipos, so that's why I'm using the 650, and the 650 is still a little too hot for that thing. I'd say your usable throttle range on a fresh battery is maybe 3/4 full for wide open throttle, just on this hull. But it's all right. It's all right.
The hunter and the hunted.
Oh no. Oh no. You do realize I've put stealth freaking depth charges on this thing, don't you? Oh, good God. Here we go. Run away. Run away. Ha. Boy, it's a good thing for you I don't have the PCE out here. I had to get on the horn and make a report.
You go sighted in sector 7G. Get Clancy and the boys to go out there and surround.
Larry Bulkwater's got his K&K out today. She's always a pretty boat. It never disappoints. Oh, that looks good in the water. Give her the spurs for a second, Larry. That is such a good looking boat. Good turn of speed. Got a nice presence on the water. It's got chop, it don't care. Up tree. Oh, that's a pretty one. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, is that one a wood hull or is it a fiberglass hull? It's all wood. Just like the smaller kit, right? But bigger. Just like the smaller kit, just bigger, right?
Yeah.
Chine hull.
Yeah, 3 of them.
Man. Larry, she sure looks nice. Everything Larry touches looks nice. Excuse the tree. Bring her back kind of close, Larry. Let me get down on my knees to get a better shot of this thing. There we go. Now bring her on up. That's just a good looking freaking boat, man. Yeah. Hey, look at that. All right, Mr. Bulkwater, thank you very much. There, and she's back out. Yeah, not too bad. So I got the banker in the water. She's doing her deal. And Captain Ed's coming back across the pond. JP's over there with the mystery. There's Larry. And somewhere, oh, Bob's changing his rig.
Changing the rig.
Yeah. You going to a sea rig?
Yeah.
All right. is, don't it? Now we got tugboats in a row. Hey, throttle back a little bit, JP. Let's catch up with you. Oh, good Lord. Traffic, traffic, traffic. Ah. There's the traffic. There's so much traffic.
They're like the old track. Electricity.
What was that? Yes, that's that. He's got a sea rig on. All right.